coronavirus menace continues to grip the entire world, the total number of cases in India have crossed 60, with 14 new cases reported from Kerala, Maharashtra and Karnataka, and one case each reported from Delhi and Rajasthan. The Union Health Ministry has strongly advised citizens to refrain from travelling to countries like China, Italy, Iran, Republic of Korea, Japan, France, Spain and Germany. The state governments are also taking the appropriate preventive measures. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has ordered a total shutdown after the number of confirmed cases hit 15 in the state. Educational institutions and cinema halls in Kerala will remain shut till March 31st. People have been advised against being part of mass gatherings. The state of Karnataka too has announced a shutdown of schools for an indefinite period. Jammu and Kashmir has also followed Kerala's footsteps and has shut down all the cinema halls. The Arunachal Pradesh government in Northeast has temporarily suspended issuing protected area permits to foreigners to check the spread of coronavirus. While the state of Mizoram has sealed its border with Myanmar. Indian Air Force just brought back 58 Indians from Iran who were stranded there due to the coronavirus outbreak. The total number of deaths due to COVID-19 has crossed 4,200 globally, with number of cases surging to more than 118,000. More than 630 people have died in Italy so far, which is one of the worst affected after China, and confirmed cases have crossed over 10,000. The Italian government has placed the entire country under lockdown until April 3rd, while the Indian government has brought back some Indians who were stuck in the city of Milan. The death toll in Iran has crossed 291, while around 60 people have died in South Korea. The UK Health Minister has also been tested positive for coronavirus. Cases in US have surged beyond 1,000, with at least 28 deaths reported. Even now, the scientists are struggling to find a cure to the deadly virus. Meanwhile, good personal hygiene can curb the spread of the infection to a great extent.